How would it feel if you could reduce the level of overwhelm that you get sometimes and replace it with a sense of control, focus, and a plan to get things done? I'm Marino, and today I'm going to talk about my 4 tips to help you overcome your overwhelm. Now, Andrew Bernstein said, remember, stress doesn't come from what's going on in your life. It comes from your thoughts about what's going on in your life. It's easy to become overwhelmed by the seemingly never-ending tasks and demands of your day, your week, your month, and very often this overwhelm can turn into a negative cycle or a negative loop that can be paralyzing. Your brain gets overwhelmed, your thoughts are scattered, and you're in a state of overload. You're thinking about the myriad of tasks that you have to get done. You're managing the chaos and drowning in all the responsibilities that you have. You don't know where to start, and so your brain goes into stall mode. And you get minimal or nothing done. And so when you get nothing done, then your stress and overwhelm gets even worse. Does this cycle sound familiar? So how do you turn this around to a positive cycle? Where you decrease your overwhelm, you get focused, and you get things done. Well, it's similar to organizing your room or your house when it gets cluttered, except this time we're going to be organizing your thoughts. So now I'm going to show you my 4M mindset method to overcome your overwhelm. Now the first M is make the choice. Now I said make the choice, not make a choice. Make the choice that you are in control and that you will take control. Number 2 is make a list. I want you to make a list of all the things in your mind that have you overwhelmed. This is like a quick mind dump, but I want you to do it on paper because if you just think about all the things that have you overwhelmed, you'll get more overwhelmed. So I want you to prioritize this list into important tasks that need to be done, less important tasks but still need to be done, unimportant tasks, and distracting forces that you have no control over. Now what we're going to first do is cross out that list of distracting forces that you have no control over. And the more you focus on the important tasks that need to be done, the less you'll focus on the distracting forces that you don't have control over. And we could do a whole nother video on that, but that will be at another time. And the third M is make a plan. This is where I want you to set goals for the things that you will accomplish it and make a plan for how you will accomplish them. Now the fourth M is make a schedule. This is where you will schedule out your day and the time it will take to accomplish the task that you want to get done. Now, because we're trying to break this state of overwhelm, we're just going to talk about this day and the next day. You can apply the 4M method to the week, the month, the year, 3-year plan, or 5-year plan. But to break our cycle of overwhelm, we're going to talk about today and the next day and focus on the things that you will accomplish during that time. And you will build on that. Now, obviously, we could go much deeper into each of these tools, but these 4 steps will help you organize your thoughts, decrease your overwhelm, help get you focused, and get things done. Well, I hope this information helped you out. And if you're seeing this video anywhere other than my blog, go check it out at awakenyourwellnessnow.com/blog. And have a great day. And as always, be positive, be motivated, be focused, and be well.